Futures pointing in different directions. Dow's off 20, Nasdaq's up 28. A lot of waiting around to see what Nvidia does this afternoon. Daniel Newman joins me there. Okay, what is your forecast for the Nvidia report? I've got to say, if it disappoints in any way, it could take down the whole market, couldn't it?
Yeah, I 100% agree with you. I think we have limited upside here, but there is significant downside if Nvidia misses. But here's the good news, Stuart. I don't think Nvidia is going to miss. I think Nvidia is going to beat. It's going to be considerable. They have a forecast of around 54.9 to 55 billion. I think it'll be closer to that whisper number of 57 billion. That forecast that Jensen gave at GTC DC just a few weeks ago is so indicative of the strong demand. We saw a ton of CapEx spending throughout the earnings cycle these past few weeks. And then, of course, this week we saw another 100 billion or so in deals with Anthropic, with Microsoft, Google. So the commitment is very significant. The demand for Nvidia is very high. And I do think the selling is a bit overblown because we see nothing has changed in terms of the demand for AI.
Okay. Tell me one more time, AI is not a bubble. I ask you to do that because I ask this of almost all of our guests who cover technology. A lot have been saying it. Maybe it's a little bubblicious. So why don't you tell me one more time, AI is not a bubble.
Yeah, I love talking to you about this. Look, there's going to be a little bit of exuberance in any technological supercycle, but that's what we're in. It's not a bubble. It's a technological supercycle, probably the largest that either of us will experience in our lifetime. And during these types of growth cycles, of course, there are a few companies that are not the highest quality that get pulled along, that evaluations get high, they get mispriced. But that doesn't mean that companies like Google and Microsoft and Nvidia that are delivering, generating huge cash flows, very consistent with great operating leverage, aren't great companies in the middle of this important cycle. So I stay, Stuart, absolutely committed to the fact that this isn't a bubble, but we will see the wheat cut from the chaff, that some lower quality companies will get pulled down, but the great companies will move forward, and it will move quickly and swiftly upward for the foreseeable future.
I'm reading between the lines, Daniel, and you're telling me that this Nvidia this afternoon is a real market mover. Can't wait. I guess at 4 o'clock you'll be glued to the screen somewhere, will you?
I will 100% be watching this all day. And like you said, the trading, I think, is going to be pretty muted until we see this print, and I think it's going to be good.
Okay, we'll be there. Daniel, thank you very much for joining us. We appreciate it.